going to be showing you guys how to make a paper boat. Here are two of my examples of the ones I have made. So let's go. So you're just going to need a regular paper like this. And so you're going to fold it like this. Just like that, from up to down, like this, from the bottom to the top, okay? Next, you're gonna fold it like this, from the side to the other side. Next, you're gonna open it back up, and you're gonna fold it like this, like an airplane. But make sure the sides that have these are facing that way, the bottom. And do it with the other side as well. Like that. And once you're done, you're gonna get these flaps and you're gonna fold them like this. Like that. And you're gonna do it for the other side as well. Then you're gonna turn your paper around and you're gonna do it for the back as well. Once you have your papers folded, you're gonna fold this flap right there. You're gonna fold it up. And you're gonna do the same thing with the back. Once you're done doing that, you have this. Once you're done, you're gonna do this. You're gonna do it to the bottom and do this. You're gonna open it wide until you have this. And you're gonna put it down and start pressing on it so the flaps fold. Once you're done, you're gonna get this flap, and if you put it all the way up, it's gonna be harder to see the top because it's gonna be like that. Sorry if it's upside down, I'm just upside down so I can record this video. So I'm just gonna be doing it a little bit. You can put it all the way up, just that I'm gonna put it a little bit. And you're gonna do the same thing with the other side. And you're gonna have this, look, this thing. And once you're done, you're gonna put it this side again, and you're gonna open it up like this. Once you're done, you're gonna have these flaps right there. You're gonna do this. You're gonna go like that to them. And once you're done, you're gonna put your fingers there, and you're gonna start doing this. Once you're done, you're gonna start putting the flaps down. Like that. And then you're gonna go like this, and start doing that. And you have your paper boat. You have to fix the bottom, by the way. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Sorry if my hands were upside on the top. Just that I was filming this video like that, so my hands were being like that. So I'm sorry, but we made paper boats. I have 3 so far, and I'm gonna be testing them out right now. Let's go. 3 paper boats. Sorry for the dark. So 3 paper boats right there. So I'm just gonna fill the sink up. I'm trying to pocket some toilet paper so water can go in. So I'm gonna try to move water now. Really gotta pick some out to hurry up. I'm just gonna open all of the paper boats like this. So they're like that. Now once they're like that, and the sink is filled up, we're gonna start putting them in. One by one. I'm gonna leave them there, and I'm just gonna put the phone down for a bit because I really have to use the restroom. Sorry about the noise. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But it's really too. So there are the paper boats. As you see, that one is moving. That one not really. And that one no. Okay, so I'm just gonna move them around a bit. Just so they can move a bit. See, like they're moving now. Okay. Hey ya. So the boats are still there. Hope no one comes in and drains the water and throws away my purpose. That'd be so bad. That'd suck. So I'm just gonna flush the toilet and put my phone down. Okay. So it will take like a bit, but I'll go back. Sorry about the noise. So as you can see, none of them are sinking yet. You know why I said yet? Because that one looks like it's sinking already. Like when you move it. Look at the fat right there. It looks like it's sinking a bit. And that one, I didn't really make it that good. Because look at the corners. Look at that. So this one is good. This one, yeah. Look. It's touching the corner, so I'm going to move it a bit. It's kind of touching the corner, but it's okay. This one is the best condition. I'm scared. I'm really sure it's at the tippy toe. Okay. This one, I'm not going to use anymore because look how wet it's getting. So I'm going to take that one out of the charge. So there's only 2 left. Look. Can you see a tiny bit of water there? I can kind of see water in one person, but on camera no. So see, I can see right there water. I can see it. I can see water in that one too. That one? That one? I can see water in that one too. So this one's already gonna lose, so I'm just gonna throw this one away. Sorry you didn't get to see the real thing, but I can't make this video too long. So this one wins. I'm still gonna have to throw it away, but I'm gonna make some more paper boats. And I'll be teaching you how I make my airplanes and showing you how they fly. Bye! See you in the next video, like in maybe tomorrow. Bye!